Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Meher. I am a coach and a motivational speaker. And if you're new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So, in this video, we are going to learn about relationship mastery by Hoponopno technique. That is a very miraculous technique which can be used to heal yourself and all the relationships around you. It's a very beautiful technique which can even help you to help you overcome the problems and challenges which are in store of your future. So just imagine how magical it is. Talking about relationships today, as a human being, relationships are the most important part of a human being. Relationships with your parents, your friends, your sister, brother, family members, if your boyfriend, girlfriend. There's so many relations. People come into our life and teach us something and go, and we learn the art of letting go. And there's so many people who come into our lives and we have a lifetime bond with them. It's all about keeping them in their life or letting go. Either it is this or either it is that. But each person who comes in your life teaches you something special. If you have an open mindset, you would get to know from a broader perspective that you are able to learn so many things from that person. So there's never a loss to establish a beautiful relationship with somebody or anyone who comes into your life. While we talk about it scientifically, we have four levels of consciousness. The first is the inner child, which is the subconscious mind. The second is the conscious mind, also known as the mother. The third is the superconscious mind, which is the father. And the fourth is the divine creation, which is the creator. It's more like we have this inner circle and then we have an outer circle. Each relationship in our outer circle is related and proportionate to the relationship in the inner circle. The inner circle consists of just you, and the outer circle consists of all the people around you. Everything which is happening in the outer circle of the boundary is something or an emotion which you are feeling inside or in your own universe. In simple language, if I say anything which you are experiencing in your outer universe is something which you are already feeling in your inner universe. If, for example, if you don't believe in God, right, or you have a particular belief system, it is because of the relationship you have with your parents. So just imagine in maths you want to solve a very bigger problem, right, in your life. What you do when you are not getting any solution to it, you come to the basics, you come to the basics of the maths. What you do, you revise the chapter from the starting, henna. It's similarly when we're talking about relationship mastery, we come to the basics of the basics. What is the basic relationship we had from day one? It is the relationship with ourselves and with our parents. These both relationships were gifted to us. We never had a choice. So if you are facing any problem in your outer circle with anybody around, just go to the basics. First, relationship with yourself, just check that. And second, relationship with your parents. You have a kind of belief system which is because of the relation with your parents. Like, for example, there are people who don't believe in love, henna. So why they don't believe in love? Maybe, I'm just giving an example, maybe they don't have a very good rapport or very good relation with their mother or father, or maybe they were not loved enough from their childhood that they've given up on love or something like that. There could be ample of reason. When we talk about these kinds of things, these comes in the healing techniques of relationship mastery. When we jump onto the Hoponopno technique, it states 4 lines. It says, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Just imagine 4 magical words being engraved and beautifully designed in 4 sentences. Whenever you say sorry for something, it is that you are asking for forgiveness. When somebody says sorry to you, you say, okay, I forgive you. And whenever somebody helps you, you say thank you. And we always say, say those 3 magical words, I love you. Just imagine all the beautiful and magical words engraved in a beautiful sentences which you are saying out loud. It's more like the universal energies. You are demanding the universal energies to work in favor of you. You can use these 4 sentences, you can use this Hoponopno technique for yourself. You can heal your inner circle, and then further you can heal your outer circle, which is relationships. But always remember, whenever we talk about relationship mastery, it comes from the inner circle. So if you want to mend any relationship outside your circle, you have to mend something from inside, because something is broken from inside which will be repaired, and that would also repair your outer relationships. If you want to learn more about relationship mastery, you want to learn more about this Hoponopno technique, learn more about how you can heal your relationships and broaden your energies, increase your frequency, you can contact me for the relationship mastery classes, and I look forward for you. Alright, and if you like the video, do subscribe it for more such videos. Thank you and namaskar. I'll meet you soon.